Chill Squad. Welcome to English and Chill. Perfect timing to vibe with your English journey. I'm Aria, your host, and today we're diving into 100 basic English greetings to level up your convo game and connect with people worldwide. Let's break it down. Why greetings matter, their cultural significance, and some fun ways to make them your own. Ready? Let's get started. Why greetings matter. Greetings are more than just words. They're your ticket to building connections and making killer first impressions. Think of them as the spark that starts a conversation, whether it's with a stranger at a coffee shop or a new colleague. A warm, "Hey there," can instantly make someone feel at ease, opening the door to friendships or opportunities. Psychologically, greetings signal respect and openness, creating a sense of belonging. I once butchered a good morning in a Tokyo cafe. Jet lag, whew. But my awkward smile led to a 2-hour chat with a local artist. That's the power of a greeting. It's a small gesture with big impact. Cultural significance and fresh vibes. Greetings aren't one size fits all. They shift across cultures, and knowing the differences gives you a global edge. In the US, a loud "what's up" screams confidence, while in the UK, a subtle "hello" or "all right" keeps it classy. In Japan, a polite bow with a konnichiwa shows respect, while in Brazil, a warm "oi" feels like a hug. Understanding these nuances helps you navigate new settings without stepping on cultural toes. Plus, greetings evolve. Gen Z might hit you with a "yo, what's good?" while older folks stick to "how do you do?" Let's make it interactive. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to greeting where you're from? Anecdotes and engagement. Here's a quick story. I once greeted a French shopkeeper with an overenthusiastic bonjour, think American tourist energy, and he laughed so hard he gave me a free croissant. Moral: even a slightly off greeting can break the ice. Greetings are your chance to show personality, so don't be afraid to experiment. Try this. Next time you meet someone new, switch up your usual "hi" for a "hey, great to meet you," and see how it lands. Engagement call. Share your funniest greeting fail in the comments or on our Discord. We'll read the best ones in our next session. Now let's set the stage for what's next. The main types of greetings you'll want to master to sound natural and confident. Transition to greeting types. From casual "yo" to formal "good evening," greetings come in all flavors. In the next part, we'll break down the top types: informal, formal, and situational, so you can pick the perfect one for any moment. Whether you're chatting with a friend or impressing at a job interview, we've got you covered. Stay tuned, Chill Squad, and let's keep the English vibes flowing. Types of greetings and responses. We're building on the power of greetings to dive into 100 basic English greetings and their responses. Whether you're chilling with friends or meeting someone new, mastering these will make you a convo pro. Today, we'll break down types of greetings, sprinkle in some pronunciation guides, explore regional variations, and throw in a fun challenge to level up your skills. Let's do this. Core content. Types of greetings and responses. Greetings come in 3 main flavors: casual, formal, and situational. Each has its own vibe and typical responses, setting the tone for any interaction. Here's the breakdown. Casual greetings. Perfect for friends or relaxed settings. Think, "Hi, how are you?" Response: "I'm good, thanks," or "What's up?" Response: "Not much, you?" These are short, friendly, and keep things chill. Formal greetings, used in professional or respectful situations. For example, pronunciation and intonation tips. And next, we're taking your greeting game to the next level by nailing pronunciation and intonation for those 100 basic English greetings. From crisp delivery to lively tones, we'll make your hi and hello pop. Building on greeting types, we'll cover clear speech, stress, fun intonation exercises, and shadowing techniques. Plus, we've got scenarios and viewer tips to lock it in. Let's dive in. Core focus, pronunciation, and stress. Clear pronunciation is your foundation for sounding confident. Here's how to ace it. Stress the right syllable. In greetings like good morning, emphasize the first syllable, good, not good morning. For hello, go with hello, keeping the first syllable strong and clear. Misplace the stress and you might sound robotic or confuse listeners. Try saying good afternoon aloud. Stress after, not noon. Clear speech. Enunciate each sound. For hi, how are you? Keep the H sharp and the R open. Sounds like R, not Practice slowly. Nice to meet you with the clear T sound. I once mumbled hello to a barista and got a confused stare. Clarity matters. New content. Intonation exercises and shadowing techniques. Intonation brings your greetings to life, showing emotion and intent. Let's add some flair with exercises and a pro technique. Intonation basics. Your voice pitch shapes the vibe. For questions like, how are you? Raise your pitch on R to sound curious and engaged. For statements like, nice to meet you, keep a steady or slightly falling tone to sound confident. Try this exercise. Say hello, nice to meet you. First with the rising tone, like you're excited, then flat, like you're bored. Hear the difference? Rising tones invite connection. Flat ones can feel dull. Shadowing technique. Shadowing means mimicking a native speaker's rhythm and tone in real time. Pick a short video clip, e.g., a movie scene with hi there or good evening. Play it, pause after each greeting, and repeat exactly. Copy the pitch, speed, and vibe. Pro tip, slow down the video to 0.75x speed if it's tricky. I shadowed "What's up?" from a sitcom and nailed the chill vibe after 3 tries. Quick exercise. Record yourself saying, hey, how's it going? With the rising tone. Then, see you later with a friendly drop. Compare both. Aim for natural flow. Extended content. Scenarios, viewer tips, and transition. Let's bring it to life with real-world scenarios and community wisdom. Scenarios. Picture this. You walk into a shop and greet the cashier with a warm, hi, how's it going? Rising tone on going. Their smile says it all. Your vibe set a positive tone. Or, at a job interview, try a steady, good morning, it's a pleasure to meet you. Clear pronunciation and calm intonation show confidence. I once greeted a coworker with an overly flat morning and got a weird look. Adding a rising tone the next day changed everything. Viewer tips. Last week, Chill Squad member Jamie shared on Discord, slow shadowing helped me sound natural with what's good. Start with one phrase. Another tip from Sarah, I practice hello in the mirror with a smile. It feels less awkward. Got a tip? Drop it in the comments. We'll feature the best in our next session. Building confidence with greetings. And next, that you're rocking those 100 basic English greetings in real-life scenarios, let's focus on building confidence to make every hi or hello feel effortless. We'll blend tips for owning your greetings, add visualization and group encouragement, and extend with stories and exercises to solidify your skills. Ready to shine? Let's dive in. Core focus, confidence tips. Confidence in greetings comes from embracing the process and practicing consistently. Here's how to build it. Mistakes are okay. Stumbling on a greeting like howdy or mixing up good morning with good evening is no big deal. It's how you learn. I once said hiya to a formal client, cringe, but they smiled and corrected me kindly. Laugh off errors and keep going. Daily practice. Say greetings aloud every day, even solo. Try, hey, what's up? In the mirror or good afternoon to your pet. Repetition builds ease. Start small. Greet one person daily, like a cashier, and watch your nerves fade. Patience is key. Confidence grows over time. I used to get sweaty palms greeting strangers, but after a month of small highs, it felt natural. Be kind to yourself. Each attempt strengthens your skills. New content, visualization, and group encouragement. let's supercharge your confidence with fresh techniques. Visualization. Before greeting someone, picture yourself delivering it smoothly. Imagine saying, "Hi, nice to see you," with a big smile and getting a warm response. Visualization preps your brain for success. Try it. Close your eyes, see yourself greeting a friend with the confident, "What's good?" and feel the positive vibe. Group encouragement. Practicing with others boosts courage. Everyone cheers each other on. There's something magic about hearing, "You got this," from the squad. A viewer, Sam, shared last week, "Group practice made my hello sound bold. Community vibes make all the difference." Extended content, stories, exercises, and community tie-in. Let's make it real with stories and a confidence-building exercise. Stories. One shy viewer, Lena, was nervous about greetings but joined our Discord practice. After group support, she nailed a confident "Hello, how are you?" to a coworker and felt unstoppable. Another time, I flubbed "Good evening" at a morning event. Everyone chuckled and it became a fun icebreaker. Your mistakes can spark connection. Exercise. Try this confidence booster. Pick 3 greetings. Example, "Hi, how's it going? Good morning. Nice to meet you." Visualize yourself saying each one to a different person, a friend, stranger, coworker, with clear pronunciation and a smile. Say them aloud 3 times each, focusing on a strong, friendly tone. Record your best attempt and share it on Instagram or Discord with hashtag #EnglishAndChill. We'll hype you up in our next session. Transition to community growth. With confidence in your greetings, you're ready to connect deeper. Next, we'll explore how these skills strengthen our English and Chill community through group chats, language exchanges, and shared wins. Keep shining, Chill Squad, and let's grow together. Community practice and challenges. We're vibing with English and Chill, and with your confidence soaring and using those 100 basic English greetings, let's take it to the next level by growing together as a community. Next, launching epic challenges and adding fresh elements like live Q&A sessions and peer feedback. Plus, we'll wrap with examples and invites to keep the energy high. Let's make this squad unstoppable. Core focus, community engagement. Our English and Chill community is where your greeting skills shine. Here's how we connect. It's a safe space to test greetings like "Good evening" or "Hey, how's it going?" with instant support. Whether you're shy or bold, the squad's got your back. Chill Greet Challenge. Launching today, record a 30-second video of yourself using any greeting. Example, "Hello, nice to meet you," or "Yo, what's good?" Post it on Instagram or Facebook with hashtag #EnglishAndChill. New elements, live Q&A sessions, and peer feedback. Let's level up with new ways to grow together. Live Q&A sessions. Starting this month, ask me anything, pronunciation tips, cultural nuances, or even how to recover from a greeting fumble. It's your chance to get personalized advice. A viewer once asked how to make "howdy" sound natural. We practiced live and they nailed it. Peer feedback. Share your greeting videos or audio clips on Discord and get constructive feedback from the squad. For example, if your "good afternoon" sounds flat, a peer might suggest a rising tone. Last week, Mia got tips to slow down her "what's up," and it transformed her delivery. Giving and receiving feedback builds confidence and tightens our community bond. Extended content. Examples, invites, and wrap to conclusion. Let's bring it to life and invite you to join the fun. Examples. Discord win. During a practice session, Alex tried a nervous "Hiya," but the squad's cheers helped him deliver a bold "Hey, what's good?" by the end. The vibe was electric. Challenge success. A member's "good evening" video with a warm smile went viral on Instagram, inspiring others to join hashtag #EnglishAndChill. Their secret? Clear pronunciation and a confident tone. Personal story. I shared a shaky Konnichiwa clip on Discord, and the squad's feedback helped me perfect the bow and the tone. Community power. Invitation. Do you want to join? Please comment your favorite greeting below. For example, I like yo and post your hashtag English and Chill challenge video. Can't participate? Check out our English and Chill YouTube channel to see the recordings. Every step matters. Challenge reminder, record your 30-second greeting video, tag hashtag English and Chill, and share it for a chance to be featured. Let's fill the internet with amazing greetings. Conclusion and final encouragement. And you've just mastered 100 basic English greetings, transforming from shy highs to confident convo starters. Let's close out with celebration, daily practice vibes, some exciting subscriber teases, and community goals to keep the momentum going. Plus, we'll reflect and give thanks to make this moment epic. You're unstoppable. Let's do this. Core focus, encouragement. You've come so far, Chill Squad. Take a moment to celebrate. Every hello, what's good, or good morning you've nailed is a win. Whether you're greeting friends, strangers, your progress is real. Keep practicing daily. Say a quick hey there to a neighbor or nice to meet you in a Zoom call. Consistency turns skills into habits. I started with timid highs that barely got a response, but daily practice led to confident chats with strangers who became friends. Mistakes? They're just stepping stones. Keep going and you'll own every conversation. New content, subscriber teases, and community goals. Let's add some fresh energy to keep you hooked and connected. Subscriber tease. Ready for more? We'll dive into 50 everyday English phrases to level up your daily convos. Think I'm on my way or no worries. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell on our English and Chill YouTube channel so you don't miss it. Sneak peek, we'll tackle phrases for shopping, travel, and chill hangouts. Community goals. Let's make waves together. Our goal is to hit 1,000 videos, hashtag English and Chill. Share your greeting videos, practice clips, or even a quick yo with the tag. Last week, 50 posts flooded in after our challenge. Let's crush it and build the biggest, chillest English learning squad out there. Extended content, reflections, thanks, and community call. Let's wrap with some heart and a call to keep the vibes strong. Reflections. Think back. Your first hello might have felt shaky, but now you're rocking greetings with confidence. My first nervous hello at a language meetup led to lifelong friends who still laugh about my awkward start. Every greeting you try is a door to new connections. What's your favorite greeting moment? Share it in the comments or on YouTube. Huge shout out to you, Chill Squad, for vibing with us through this series. Your comments, clips, and hashtag English and Chill posts keep this community alive. Share this post with a friend to grow our crew and post your final greeting clip with hashtag English and Chill to help us hit 1,000 posts. Can't join live? Check our English and Chill YouTube for recaps. Let's keep the energy soaring. Final words. You have the tools, confidence, and community to make English your own. From greetings to lifelong conversations, you are building bridges with every word. Keep practicing, stay calm, and bring this boldness into every conversation. The English and Chill team is always here to support you. Let's grow and converse like experts together. See you next Sunday with 50 daily phrases. Keep moving forward, Chill team. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to see more videos from English and Chill. If you find the video helpful, please share it with friends and family so we can all learn English in the best way possible.